Hi Hans, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lucy. Welcome. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day today. And today I'm gonna show you very easy, quick, dewy glass skin look, so you can look radiant when you're gonna FaceTime your family and friends. My first step is Foreo Shimmer Freak Mask, and I'm using this with UFO device, and this mask is dedicated to under eye area, and I didn't sleep well, honey, so those bags are heavy. And in dewy skin makeup, the most important thing is skincare, so I've started with moisturizing my skin and making sure it looks hydrated and kind of fresh. And the second step is Cover FX Blurring Primer, and I'm applying this mostly in the areas when I have larger pores and a little bit of wrinkles. Now I'm using Makeup Revolution Serum. It's supposed to give you the glass skin effect, but to be honest, it didn't work that well. And now I'm going with my Pat McGrath concealer because I need full coverage but very natural looking skin, and this concealer will give you both. And I'm using my favorite Juno sponge because it blends all the creams seamlessly. I hope you can see the difference on camera where I have a concealer and the depressing side without. Instead of foundation, I went for Pixi H2O Skin Tint. As I said, we want to have radiant, very natural looking skin. I'm going with this tint just to even out my skin tone, make it look a little bit more fresh, a little bit nicer. And to contour my fat face, I'm going with Tilbury Contour Wand because in doing makeup I want to avoid powder, so I'm going with this cream product. First time I've used this product, I wasn't 100% happy, but it grew on me and now it's one of my to-go contour products. And I'm doing the basic contouring just, to make my fat face a little bit less fat. And I'm setting my T-zone. And I'm lightly dipping into Tilbury Filmstar Bronze and Glow palette just to give my skin a little bit of sun-kissed look. For blush, I'm using Lime Crime Glow Blush in shade Flash Drive. I love this one because it blends with the skin perfectly and it's giving you this glowy, dewy effect. And so far, this is my all-time favorite blush, but I've other new Fenty blushes. I'm just waiting for them to arrive. And I was wondering, should I do a review of those? It's one product review still a thing, or we are past that? Let me know in the comments down below. For brows, I decided to go with a new product, Iconic London Brow Silk. It comes with this big brush that looks like a toothbrush. It's supposed to set my brows in place. And as you can see, I'm struggling to do so, and it didn't work with that brush. So I thought I'm gonna give it a try with the spoolie, and it didn't work either. I don't know, maybe I'm doing this wrong, or maybe my brows are just too thick because it didn't hold my brows in place. I'm applying a bit of Mambo eye pencil from NARS just on my lash line to give my eyes a little bit of shape. I want to keep my eye look very natural, very glowy, but still I don't want to look like I came from mole people. This is my all-time favorite MAC shadow. It's called Artificial Earth and it works perfectly as a base color or whatever you want to have a natural look. I just like to apply this all over my lid. It evens out my skin tone, it covers my little veins and my little discoloration on my eyes, and it's giving this very natural glowy look. And I'm applying this on my lower lash line as well. And from Fenty Snap Shadows, I'm dipping into the pink shade in the corner. And I'm just dabbing this all over my eye just to give my eye look more sparkle, more dewiness. To achieve the perfect dewy look, I know a lot of people like to apply a little bit of lip gloss, but with my hooded eyes, it will just not work. I'm gonna add a little bit of dewy highlight effect with Fenty Beauty Glow Stick, and this is actually the product that inspired me to do this whole look. I thought it's gonna be amazing. It's supposed to give you this iridescent, dewy, glowy shine. And as you can see, it's doing this, but it's nothing over the top. I'm a little bit disappointed with this product But that being said, it looks really pretty, and in real life it's more dewy than it is on the camera, but still I was expecting a little bit more, and now I'm applying this a little bit on my lips just to give some extra shine to it. For mascara, I'm going with Iconic London Triple Thread Mascara, and again, this is the new product that I haven't used before, and I actually got this for free when I've ordered Brow Silk and blush. I don't know if this offer is still going, but just go to Iconic London website and see what they have to offer. And this mascara is supposed to give me length, volume, and lift my lashes. I must say I like this kind of silicone brush because I feel like it can grab all my lashes and I can start really from the root. But the mascara itself, would I say it's anything special? And you need quite a lot of layers to make your lashes look halfway decent. I think you can see fear in my eyes, and if you watch my Makeup Revolution Glass Skin Collection review, you know why. This setting spray smells like shit. Oh my god, I wanna vomit whenever I'm using it. Once the smell is gone, the product looks really nice on your skin. And look at this freaking Iconic London mascara just went everywhere, so I need to clean this. The best trick is to wait for it to be dry and then just use the spoolie to get rid of it. I'm going with Pat McGrath lip gloss in shade Nude Negligee, and this is the perfect nude lip gloss, at least for my kind of super pale skin tone. The lips are looking wet and I love it. And if you're planning to show a little bit of skin, you can go with Fenty Beauty Body Lava. Mine is mini version from Holiday Collection. And when I did the review of that collection, I thought I will never ever use that product again. But actually it grew on me and I've used this in few looks. But the only thing I don't like about this product is very, very sticky. And that's it. This is my dewy, glowy skin. And look at her. She's posing. She thinks she's a model. Stupid bitch. And that's it. This is the final look. I hope you like it. If you did, please click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, show me some love, show me some support, and see you on the next one. Bye!